Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave in the comment section how your day is going. Mine is going fantastic because we finally reached our 30,000 subscriber goal. I am so excited, and there is a reason why this milestone is so important to me. So let me share. Today is Friday, April 5th, when I am filming this video, which we will be unboxing the Glam Glitz box, the April 2019. So it is April 5th, and April 6th is my 43rd birthday. So tomorrow on Saturday is my birthday. And as you guys know, that my grandmother passed away 5 weeks ago. She was 91. She was like a second mother to me. She helped raise me. I actually lived with her. My mother and grandmother always lived together. My father had passed away when I was 6. So my grandmother helped raise me with my mother. So like I said, I always looked at her as a second mother. She's always been in my life. And tomorrow will be the first birthday that I don't get to have cake with her, or she doesn't call me and can say happy birthday to me. So also, she has been on my videos before. If I can remember, I'll leave some down below, and if I don't, let me know in the comment section so I can link a couple videos. So if you don't know who she is, you will know who she is. And you know, because she was 91, she didn't really know too much about the internet. She never owned a cell phone or anything like that. So when she would go to the hospital, she would always tell everybody, my granddaughter is on TV. She didn't understand YouTube and like that it was the internet. So she would see me, her and my mom would watch me on their TV. So in her eyes, I was on TV. And we would always say about me getting a 30,000. I was like, I'm almost there, Grandma. And she was like, you're going to get there. You're going to get there. I have faith in you. And so it means a lot that right by my birthday, I reached my 30,000 goal. And I don't mean to get emotional, but it's very upsetting that, you know how it is when somebody passes that you really love and you care about, and the first celebrations are the hardest. So Sunday will be 6 weeks that she's been gone. So Saturday is my birthday. So it's still very new to me. And it kind of makes it better, you know. It's like I can kind of celebrate with her, if that makes sense. But anyway, enough about that. So I just want to thank everybody for all your love and support. And this really means a lot to me. And it was the right timing. All right, so enough about this. Let's talk about the GlitzGlamBox. Now, I do pay for this subscription. This is $15 a month. This is only a few months old. I believe the first box was in January, if I'm not mistaken. And the owner, this is a Black-owned company, and she lives in New Jersey. So I'm from New Jersey, South Jersey. So being that this box comes from New Jersey means a lot to me. All right. So let me read you, I have my phone right here, what you would get each month. So every month you will always receive one glitter product, one pair of lashes, plus 2 to 3 full-size beauty products to elevate your fame game. So because it's glitz glam, that's why you get glitter, you get the glam is the eyelashes. So if you don't like that type of stuff, this may not be the box for you. So I just enjoy supporting my fellow New Jerseyans, and because it is a Black-owned company and a woman-owned company, and I am very into that, to the indie brands. All right, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Always has a sticker that says GlitzGlamBox on it. All right, so what is this? This says, Anne, we love your video. Thanks for posting. Oh, so I got an extra little thingy. Oh, that is so nice. Okay. I wonder if she knows I'm from New Jersey, too. Okay. So this is like a purplish color glitter. Purple and silver. Very pretty. All right, then we have on here, tells you what everything is, but it's so small that I really can't read it. And then on the back here says, your May box will include a luxe item valued at $24.95. Yeah, and then there's all the information right there. You want to look them up, but I will leave a link down below as well. All right, so here we go. The first thing that I see is this little fan brush from Clean Color. So there we go. I don't like fan brushes. A lot of people use highlighters to put their highlighters on. I don't tend to use fan brushes that much. But let's see what this is about. Let's see. So it's very thin. So this would be okay to put. I'm just not a big fan on fan brushes. All right, let's see what it says. Does it have prices on here? What should be? This is, oh my God, I can't even read it. Do I have my little handy dandy magnifying glass? What does it say? So it retails for between $1.50 and $3.99. That it can, I guess, depending on where you get this from. All right, so the next thing we have right here. Yeah, so that's everything. I guess there's a few things in there. So let's open her up. All right, so oh, wow. These are the lashes this month that we got. They're really pretty. I need to really play around with putting lashes on. So this is from Infinite Glow, and this is 3D silk lashes in the style Rain. Right there. All right, let's see what it says. They are retail for $8.99. Okay. The next thing we got is, what is this? Your Glitters Gold Leaf Flakes. Okay, right there. So this looks like maybe for the body I'm smizing. Right there. Let's see if you guys can see. Let's get a little closer. And then that's what it looks like. All right, so let's see what that says. Let me get my little magnifying glass. All right, so these retail value for $4.50, and it says, yes, glitters. It says gold leaf flakes are safe for use on body and face. So let me open that up and see what the heck that's about. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so it's like, if you guys can see, I don't want to take it out. I guess you can like rip it. It's very easy to rip. So let's take a little piece off. And you can put them in pieces or anything. And I guess put them like on your face or on your body or stuff like that. So there we go. I don't know about that. That might be good for a date night, or if you're going to a festival, that will be okay. And last but not least, this is from Aesthetica. Now, Aesthetica is very expensive. This is a strobe series highlighter, light to medium, which is nice because last month she sent an email around with your profile. So I guess that's good. So that's why I got the light to medium. This is what it looks like on the back. I don't know. It looks like I'm looking on my monitor right down here, and it looks like I'm like awful bright. I don't know if my settings got messed up because I had the camera unplugged for a while, so I don't know if the settings got messed up. So if I look a little bright, or maybe it's just me, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's see if you can see the back. So it comes, I don't know if that's a brush or not, or is it? Let's just see. Let's take a gander. All right, so it pulls out like this. And this is like, what is this? I guess this must show you, tell you a little bit of everything and like what you can do. So you got a little book. All right, but what is, let's see. So it comes with a mirror. I don't want to blind you. So that's what it looks like right there. And this is nice because the way this is, you can actually take it out and put it in a Z palette. So we're going to do some swatches, and I'm going to try some on. And then what is this? This right here is something. Let me open this up right here and see what that is. Maybe an eyeliner or a highlighter. I don't know what that is. Okay. So it looks like that. What the heck is that? Okay, so that's like your, I don't know what this is, and I don't want to, maybe it's a liquid highlighter. That's probably what this is. And I don't want to, yes, that's what it is. A liquid strobe, light to medium. I won't really use this. If I do, I like it in the summertime when I don't want to have a bare face and I'm not going to put foundation on. I'll take a little bit and kind of like just put it here. And that's what I tend to use that for. So I don't want to open that. But Let's swatch these colors right there. All right. Doesn't have any names on it. Are they in the back? Nope, no names. So they're very little powdery, but so let's see. So there we go. These are like, they're not really blinding. They're very subtle. They're more like powdery. I kind of wish I didn't, I don't even know if you guys can see. I kind of wish I didn't even swatch it because they're very, very subtle and powdery. So I'm not even going to apply these on my face because I know it won't, it'll just look like chalky on me. I'll see if, you know, my daughter or, no, I don't know. This might be too light for her. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So that's kind of upsetting. How much does it say this is? This retails for, how much? $40. I can tell you right now, I would not pay $40 for this. Maybe 10. For me personally, and it's not that it's just subtle, it's very powdery. I don't know how it would be if I did it wet. Maybe it will be better. But, so let's recap what we got, and then I'll tell you what I think of this month's box. So we have this that claims it's $40. We have the eyelashes that I do think is very pretty. I give these to my daughter because she wears them. And then, okay, so then we got the liquid highlighter that goes with that highlighter. We got these little flakes that I personally won't wear, but I can see somebody that's going to a festival or just dressing up. I can definitely see that. And we got a fan brush that I won't use. So this month, is it worth $15? I think it's worth $15, but I don't like this month's box. I like last month's box better because we got an eyeshadow palette. I would have really liked it if it was just, and like I said, what I'm seeing now you can't really see, but I'm having a problem with this lighting on the computer, so I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I don't know what I think of it. What do you guys think about it? Maybe because of my age is why. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this box this month? I think the best thing is the lashes, and I don't wear lashes. So if I was able to skip a month, I definitely probably would skip a month. But I usually like to try a new company for 3 months. So this is only the second month. I will try next month and see how it is. So let me know, would you purchase this for $15? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know. I think when we get eyeshadow palettes for $15 is the reason why I got it. But like I said, I'll get it one more month and we shall go from there. Let me know in the comments. Like you guys know, I always care about your opinions. Let me know what you think. And again, thank you for the 30,000. We do have my birthday giveaway going on right now, and we will be having an upcoming 30,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I have a video, which lately I've been doing one every day. All right, guys, as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.